Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, remove Windows 11 25H2 Start menu, go back to Classic 24H2 Start menu. Search URL in description. Download and extract file. Copy folder path. Run command from description. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.